also know we were going to interview this beautiful model, and she is.
Hi guys, I'm Althea Kyle Abraham Cuenca.
And how old are you?
20 years old po.
20. So first year college.
Second year.
Second year. So anong course mo?
BS Entrepreneurship po.
Okay. So may I know your height and vital statistics?
Ang height ko po is 5'7", and for my bust is 33 inches, and yung waist ko naman po is 24 inches, and sa hips po is 35 inches.
Okay. So bilang model, anong mapapayo mo sa mga aspirants na mga models? Or gustong mag-models?
Ang masasabi ko lang po, or mapapayo ko is, sa una talaga parang, so, parang nakakaba, ganyan, or nakakatakot simulan, but nakaka-enjoy siya, so i-push lang natin.
Yes, tama. So, do you have handler or manager right now?
Wala po. Nag-freelance modeling lang.
Since when?
Balik, nung bata po ako, tumatanggap po ako, pero nag-stop din. Nakilala ko po si Sir Vladimir nung last Kamuning.
Yes.
And naging model po ako ni Sir
Fashion Court. Under Fashion Court.
Yes po. So, ayun. Kinontak niya lang din po ulit ako ngayon.
Okay. So, gaano ka nakatagal sa modeling industry? How many years?
Putol-putol po kasi. But, neto po, last year, so mga 2 years po siguro.
Okay. What made you decide to be a model?
Siguro po yung support ng mga tao na nasa paligid mo. And syempre, yung mom ko po kasi talaga, I think yun po yung dream niya para sa akin. And mula pagkabata, so ayun, parang dun ka nahubog, yun na rin po yung nag-push sa akin. And na-enjoy ko naman po talaga.
Okay. So, do you have a model idol or inspiration?
Pinaka-gusto ko talaga is si Kendall Jenner. I love her presence, like, yun po, yung body niya, lahat.
Okay. So, tell me about a challenge you face when modeling.
For me po kasi, siguro yung class schedule and yung pressure sa sarili. Bilang second year college po, grabe yung pressure ng schedule and syempre po yung commute, yung mga ganun.
So, before we end this interview, we would like to know your socials, Miss Althea. And if you are interested to work and collab with her, please promote your socials.
So, hi guys! Kung gusto niyo po akong makontak, ang Facebook account ko po is Althea Kyle Abraham Cuenca. And for my IG naman po, @Kylie. Yun po.
What about your TikTok? YouTube?
TikTok.
Nag-vlog ko ba?
Hindi po. But yung TikTok ko po, active po ako sa TikTok. @Kylie lang din po.
Okay. Thank you guys. Please follow her and bye!
Althea would like to thank Ma'am Elsie Delos Reyes, Sir Lido County, Sir Vladimir Estacada, her mom, Ma'am Cecil Hilton, and Ma'am Carlene Cuenca.
This video is brought to you by Fuel M Motors, motorcycle gears and accessories.
QCPC, Quezon City Photo Club.
Owned Still.
Natural Shots by Michael Marhalino.
Bessie Talks by Lido Calian. And Fashion Photographers of the Philippines, Incorporated.